What's up everyone, I am Debarati and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is all about the daytime glam Christmas look, which you will need very minimalistic product to give the glowing fresh morning daytime look. So if you want to know how to transform this face to this, then please keep on watching. I'm shooting in morning sunlight so you can see the true colors or whatever I'm using. Let me just tie my hair up and I'll be right back. I've already washed, moisturized and hydrated my face, and these are the products I used, and I'm all set to go to slap some makeup onto my face. So let's get started. Okay, now for priming I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Primer. So it comes out as a milky white color. It almost feels like a thick blurring moisturizer because it moisturizes or rather hydrates your face, but there is no priming agent in it. I mean, it doesn't fills up your pores, and over here I'm trying to understand the actual consistency of it, but it's an average one. Well, that did not satisfy my priming game, so I went with another one, which is the Lakme blurring primer. It's one of my favorite primers, so it fills in the pores and gives that nice smoothing effect to my face, and I love it. So next, for the foundation, I am using the NYKAA SkinShield foundation in the shade 07 Hot Honey, and guys, look at the color. It's just a damn on match for my skin tone. So yeah, I don't know why did I sniff it, like what the hell. Okay, anywho, coming on to this foundation, this is a very creamy foundation. It's not overly oily or moisturizing or illuminating. It's just creamy, like the perfect balance between a matte foundation and a hydrating foundation. It's very good for winter season right now. And now comes the favorite part, which is concealer, and for that I'm using the PAC Spotlight concealer in the shade 07 Nutcracker. It's very thick concealer, so I will request you all to use it very sparingly and just dot and blend it away, which I'm doing the same over here. Next, only around my mouth where I have discoloration, I'm using the PAC TakeCover concealer in the shade 05, I suppose. So yeah. Then for setting my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 20 Light Medium, and I'm using the Amp Sponge so that it picks up less product. Then I'm taking a clean, big, fluffy brush, and whatever residue of powder is left on my face, I'm just smearing away everything on my face. Now let's just bring back the youthfulness onto our face by adding the blush, and over here I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, and oh my lord! So as you guys know, that is not dandruff, so let's just ignore it. No, I don't want a very harsh contour, so I just want a little bit of definition, so I'm using this palette from Wet n Wild and ever so slightly, just a bit, contouring my face with it, not anything ham. As you can see, I'm placing the contour a bit higher than my cheekbones, so to give it a chiseled lift up place, and under my jawline. I repeat, under my jawline. Okay dokie, so this is what my base is looking like. So let me just zoom you guys a bit closer. So for my eyebrows, I'm using NYKAA TakeCover brow filler. So I'm just scraping off the extra ones and then directly filling my brows with the applicator. So this thing is hella pigmented, so just be, quite light-handed with this. So yeah, then I'll be taking a spoolie and just spooling my eyebrows, so to disperse the product evenly onto my eyebrows. Then I'm using the NYKAA Brow Mascara to lock my eyebrows all day onto its place. Then for my eyes, I'm using a brown kajal, and this is from the Lakme Iconic range, and I'm just drawing a wing. Take your time and do it slowly, and you don't have to be perfect because anyway we are going to smudge it later on. Then I'll be using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in my Glamour Squad and taking the dark transition shade and in an angular brush, and I'll be just stamping it over the eyeliner which we have drawn so that to make it more intense. And on the edge of the, on the upper edge of the liner, I'll be just smudging it a bit and extending the wing outwards. So you can just go directly with the eyeshadow, but I needed a base so underneath, so that's why I used the kajal. And then taking a small clean brush, I am blending out the edges to make it more softer, and then using this light brown color, I will be diffusing the edge of the liner more and just making a gradient out of it. And please don't go beyond your crease line. Now I'm cleaning up my wing with a Q-tip. Okay, then I'm using these two matte shades and just making a wing, or rather drawing a liner type of thing, and just to intensify. And then using a concealer with a flat brush, I am cleaning away my wing. And then I will be curling my lashes and applying the mascara. And for mascara, I am using the Essence False Lash Princess mascara, and you guys know I'm obsessed over this mascara. Like, it's so gorgeous, being a drugstore, and the price is like quarter of any of the mascara, like the Maybelline mascara I'm using. So yeah, I just freakingly love this mascara. And then I'm taking those two dark matte colors and applying it on my lower lash line and connecting it to my upper wing just to balance out the look. And then I will be using a nude color kajal, and this is Rimmel nude eye pencil, and I'm just applying it on my waterline. Then to lock everything, all the powderiness and all the jazz which was on my face, I'm using the NYX matte fixing setting spray. And then I'm using a highlighter, and this is the Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals. I forgot to take the snap of it. Okay, and then for lipstick, I'm using the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Color in the shade Berry Healthy. And this is a gorgeous color, like the muted pinkish brown, I suppose. And yeah, that's my finished look. Guys, you know what to do. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and ring that bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And until then, bye, take care, see you in my next video.